In this video, I'll show you 3 simple and effective vagus nerve exercises that will completely regulate your nervous system within minutes. What if I told you that anxiety wasn't all what's going around in your head, but it's something that's stored in the body? There's a well-known book called The Body Keeps a Score. Dr. Bessel van der Kolk explains how chronic stress can keep us stuck in the fight and flight sympathetic nervous system. In his book, Dr. Bessel van der Kolk explains how chronic stress can keep us stuck in the fight and flight nervous system, even when we're under no threat, and this can lead to anxiety. And these signs of chronic stress, the shoulders up and forwards, the clenched jaw, they can become second nature, they can become part of our posture, and we don't even realize that we're stepping into that nervous system. But here's the good news, your nervous system can be rewired, and I'm here to show you 3 simple vagus nerve exercises that will rewire your brain so that you can make that shift from stress and anxiety into a state of calm. But before I show you how you can do that, I just want to take a quick second to talk to you about the nervous system and anxiety so that you can make a deeper connection as you begin to rewire your brain. Our nervous systems are built for protection. They're constantly scanning, deciding whether we need to move into a fight, flight, freeze, or fawn response, or whether we can stay relaxed and calm. This is the autonomic nervous system, and it operates in 2 main key branches. The sympathetic nervous response, the fight and flight, which is activated by deadlines, stress, and emotional triggers, and the parasympathetic nervous response, which is activated through practices such as yoga nidra and meditation. This is crucial for us for deep healing and restoration and cell regeneration. Our ancestors were able to shift between these 2 states and find that space of equilibrium after they were exposed to certain threats. But what's happened to us in the modern world is that we wake up and we hit the ground running. We have a list of deadlines and a to-do list as long as your arm. And when we're exposed to these microdoses of stress throughout the day, it doesn't give our nervous systems a chance to regulate. And this is where the vagus nerve comes to the rescue, shifting you from your fight and flight response into your rest and restore. The vagus nerve runs from your brainstem, through your lungs, through your heart, into your digestive system, and it acts as the bridge between your brain and your body. It regulates essential functions such as breathing, digestion, lung function, emotional regulation. So if you think about the body being hardware, think about the vagus nerve as your software for the body. And when that vagus nerve is activated, it sends safety signals to the brain and shifts your body from fight and flight mode into rest and digest. In his book, The Body Keeps a Score, Dr. Bessel van der Kolk explains how chronic stress weakens the vagus nerve and it leaves us stuck in fight and flight mode. And this can lead to inflammation in the body, leading to anxiety, panic attacks, chronic stress, IBS, bloating, gut issues, and general emotional dysregulation. So let's explore these simple exercises to strengthen your vagus nerve. These simple exercises can be done anytime and anywhere, sat down, and you can even do them in your car. These 3 powerful techniques will help you stimulate the vagus nerve, sending messages of peace and relaxation to your brain. We're going to hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Remember, you don't have to overstretch here. Sit comfortably and sit tall. Reach it with your right hand and take that right hand over your head and begin to draw that ear to the shoulder, slowly moving into a stretch. And then relax that hand and begin to take your eye gaze over to the left and begin to breathe deeply. And if you feel a spontaneous sigh or swallow or yawn here, that's a good sign. That's your nervous system resetting. As you look to the left, your eyes are communicating with the brain, signals of peace and relaxation. These exercises, although they're simple, they're very powerful. Just move into a space that feels good without overstretching here. Stay with the breath. Smooth, regular breathing pattern. And now take one final inhale. And as you exhale, gently move back to a neutral spine and just allow the body to settle. And then when you're ready, we'll do the same on the other side. Take a break here and pause if you need to. Okay, for the other side, reach it with your left hand. Take that hand over the head And slowly begin to draw that left ear down towards the left shoulder. You can draw that right shoulder back and down if that feels good, and then look to your right, feeling a release of tension down the right side of the neck here. Tension around this muscle area can lead to migraines, headaches. It's just releasing layers of tension that may have built up over the years. Your brain is processing safety. It's sending safety cues right now, adjusting your heart rate, softening your breath. Allow it to take the action to restore and relax your body. Take one last deep breath in here. And gently release on your exhale. And as you come back to neutral, just allow the body to settle. And if you want to at this time, you can pause the video and take a little bit of a breather if you feel that's necessary. And then when you're ready, we'll move on to our next stretch. So it's similar to the initial stretch, but we're moving a little bit deeper and we're working with the rib cage this time. When you're ready, reach up with your right hand. Take that hand over your head, the same place as it was before, and gently move into the same stretch. And then at the same time, you're taking your hand onto your rib cage and you're going to gently pull towards the side. And what you're looking for here is to guide the body into a C shape so that you can deepen into that stretch. You're taking the right ear to the right shoulder and then you're gazing up towards the left. So begin to bring the eyes into your exercise now, and we'll hold this here for 30 seconds. Remembering the goodness of what you're doing for your body here, sending signals of relaxation to the brain. And this movement creates a little more room for your diaphragm, giving you space to breathe a little deeper. Maybe you're breathing at a slower pace now. Keep your eyes gazing towards the left. And when you're ready, take a deep inhale. Gently, gently coming back to center. Taking a moment for your body to reset here. And when you're ready, we'll move on to the other side. So same as before, reach up with the left hand, holding the side of the head, gently drawing it over towards the left shoulder. Right shoulder back and down if that feels good. Moving into your stretch and then turning the eyes to gaze to the right. Eyes are gazing to the right and we're in tune with our breath. Deep inhales and exhales, enjoying that space down the side of the neck here. See if you can use your exhalations to release another layer of tension. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, gently come back to center, pause, take a little time here, allow the body to reset. And when you're ready, we'll move on to the third exercise, which is a massage for the inner ear. If you look at the side of my ear here, I'm not looking to massage into the cartilage or place my finger into the ear canal, but I'm looking for that little sort of crevice where I can gently place my finger and begin to make circular movements. There's no need for excessive pressure, gentle movements, massaging into that little crevice in between the cartilage rim and in between the ear canal. Change direction, so we're moving in the opposite direction, small, circular, soothing, massaging movements. Take a deep inhale and exhale, release. Just allow the body to settle. I felt a sense of deep calm coming over me then with that small movement. Did you feel anything too? Let me know in the comments if you felt something there. So we'll do the same on the other side. Just as we did before, if you feel like you want to take a break here, you can pause the video and pick it back up when you feel ready. So when you're ready, we're looking for that space in between cartilage rim and the ear canal. It's a tiny, tiny little groove, and you're looking to massage into that groove with tiny, tiny circles, soothing circles, staying with the breath here. Conscious breathing, inhale and exhale, slow and steady rhythm, and then change direction. So you're changing direction, circular movements in the opposite direction. Maybe you feel a yawn coming on, a sigh coming on. Maybe you feel your heart rate slowing down. Maybe you feel your breathing slowing. And then when you're ready, take a deep inhale. Exhale, release. And as you come back to the center, allow your body to settle. Remember, you don't have to turn your head to the side for the ear massaging. I just did that so that you could see where the point was on my ear. So remember, your nervous system isn't working against you. It's there to keep you safe. And just as chronic stress can reshape your nervous system, so can vagus nerve techniques. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and tell me which exercise resonated with you the most. Subscribe for more tips on emotional resilience and click the bell so that you don't miss a video in the future, and I'll see you next time.